I was getting ready to pack, so I thought I'd pick up the camera and share with you guys how it is that we pack in our carry-ons only for a winter getaway. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is May and I love doing these types of pack with me videos. I've done some before for like a fall vacation, also a beach vacation, and as I mentioned, today we are actually packing for our winter vacation. So I wanted to share with you guys how it is that I'm going to pack all of my pieces in a carry-on only. I do take a personal item, and for the most part I take my Keepall 45. However, depending how I am with space, I might take something a little bit smaller. So I thought I'd just share with you guys how it is that I go about packing. I won't be using packing cubes for this particular trip. I have mentioned them before, but I feel like for the bulkier pieces, I have mastered a way to do it without having to use packing cubes. So I'll make sure to share those tips along the way as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna get on the floor and lay out everything to share with you guys, and then we're gonna get packing. Really quick, I had just thrown on top of my luggage more or less what it is that I'm planning on taking. So I'm gonna go into detail exactly of what I'm choosing to pack. As you can see here, these are my two shoe options. One of the boots I will be taking on, and then the other one I will be packing. All right, so now that we've all settled down on the floor, as you can see, I have everything that I'm gonna take around me. So the first thing that I wanted to start off, and the main tip that I have, especially for winter vacations, is accessories. So I do wanna share with you guys two scarves that I have here. And I have about two more, but for this particular vacation, since we're only going for about 4 days, I'm only gonna take two. But the beauty about these scarves is that they are reversible. So that way I have more ways to style them with the outfits that I'm already taking. So it kind of looks like if I'm wearing a different scarf. And for the most part during winter vacations, while you're out and about and if you're taking pictures, you can only see really the scarf or the beanie that you're wearing. So for that reason, I think this is a great idea. As you can see here, these two, I have one that has black and white on one side, and then it has this checkered red print on the other side, which I love, especially since we're going for the Christmas holiday. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to. And then I also have another one here, which is this really nice pale pink on one side, and then on the other side, it is a beige or like a nude tone. And then I'm taking two beanies that will pair with basically all of these scarves. So both of my jackets, which I'll get to in a little bit, are black. So I feel like I can't go wrong with a black beanie. And then I also have this cute pale pink one, which will obviously match with the other scarf as well. So since I'm gonna be pretty bundled up, I can't accessorize in any other way. However, I do love taking cute pairs of earrings and even wearing rings. So when I'm out and about, maybe at a coffee shop or at a restaurant eating, I can take cute pictures and my accessories can still pop. So that leads me to today's video sponsor, and that is Ana Luisa. If you have been watching my videos for some time, you know that I love partnering with Ana Luisa because I honestly really enjoy fashion jewelry, and jewelry for that matter altogether. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand which offers a ton of classic, chic, and elegant pieces to incorporate in your everyday look. And I have personally found some great go-to pieces that I incorporate on the day-to-day. No matter if I'm dressing with a sweatshirt and a pair of jeans, or if I'm going full glam for a nice event out, I love going to Ana Luisa for those key pieces in order to complete my outfit. So I just wanted to share with you the pieces that I will be taking from them on this trip. Now, these Huggies here have been my go-to ever since I got them. They're so dainty and tiny, but they literally hug your earlobe perfectly. It feels like you're wearing a stud. I've even fallen asleep with them and they do not bother whatsoever. So I'm definitely taking those. And then if I wanted something with a little bit of an accent, I will be taking these chunky gold hoops. Now their gold pieces are gold plated. However, they do have sterling silver options for those of you that enjoy silver a little bit more. And I personally love wearing rings. I actually added this one earlier on this year and it's been one of my favorites from the bunch. I like wearing it whether it's on my index finger or on my middle finger. And my favorite part out of all of this is that each of their pieces come with these cute little pouches, which I specifically love for traveling. I get to choose all the pieces that I'm taking and just place them inside, and that way I know that whenever I'm ready to accessorize my look, I have all my pieces in the same little spot. Now last but not least, I just wanted to share with you guys these little dainty pearl drop earrings. I felt like these would be perfect, especially for our Christmas Eve dinner. Now one of the things that I really like about these earrings in particular is that the thread can actually be put through your second hole if you do have one. So you can incorporate one piece in various ways, and a lot of their pieces are like that. They can be dressed casually, or you can also take them into a more elegant outfit. So I'll make sure to link Ana Luisa's website down below. They were kind enough to offer me a coupon code for you guys, but they're also running a very big sale on their website right now. I'm sure that if you are looking to add a new jewelry piece into your collection, whether it's for your everyday or whether it is for a specific occasion, you will be able to find something in the Ana Luisa website. Now that we've gone ahead and packed up all of my accessories that I will be taking on this trip, I also wanted to share with you that of course I will be packing a pair of gloves. That is a given for a winter vacation. And then this is another little bandeau headband piece that I have that I want to take with me. I love the little pearl details, and if I do choose to incorporate those pearl earrings from Ana Luisa maybe throughout the day, then I can go ahead and pair it with this. Now moving on for the remainder of the pieces that I will be packing, I am taking this sweater dress. As I mentioned, we do have a Christmas Eve dinner that we have reservations for, so that is the outfit that I plan on wearing for that. I'm taking 2 pairs of leggings. I will be leaving in one and then packing the other. And then I am opting for 3 sweaters. My biggest tip in all of my packing videos is, you guys, to go with neutrals. Even if you're going for a summer vacation, try to pair really nice neutral colors that you can mix and match. That just gives you more versatility and more outfits that you can plan. This one here is from Amazon, you guys, and it is so good. I sized up because I wanted to wear it with leggings, but I feel like it's a really good sweater. It's actually really well made. The other ones are just very old, so I'll just probably find something similar and link it down below for you guys in case you want something similar to this. And then last but not least, we do have 2 sweaters. So we do have a puffer coat, and then we do have just a long overcoat, which I'm taking because I do want to wear when we do go to nicer dinners. And then the puffer coat will just be my daily go-to. I'm sure that this is going to keep me a lot warmer than the long coat. So for that reason, I'm going to take them both. Now for shoes, we do have 2 options. I'm taking these knee-high boots, and these will be the ones that I will be pairing with all my night looks. And then for the daily, I am taking these Kohan boots. I actually got them for earlier this year when we were going to Chicago, and they are amazing. They are so comfortable, and they actually kept my feet really warm. So I knew that if we were doing another winter vacation this year, these would definitely be the ones to come with me. Now I will be leaving with these on, since I want to make sure that I have as much space as possible in my luggage. And that is another tip that I can give you guys. Try to wear your bulkier pieces for your airport look, so that way you have a little bit more space to pack more things inside of your carry-on. Alright, since we were going to start moving around, I felt like I needed to wear a pair of joggers to be a little bit more comfortable. So this suitcase in particular has 2 sides. It has this zippered compartment on one side, and then it has this little compression flap on the other one. This is the away carry-on suitcase. It is the smallest of the 2 options that they offer, but for all the trips that we took this year and last year, we've been able to pack this carry-on perfectly, and it's never giving us any headaches whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack the part that has this compression tab with all of the chunky knits, and then the coat as well, just because I feel like it's going to keep everything more compact and more tighter, allowing me to play around with this space a little bit more. Now, I forgot I wanted to take this button down in order to complete a look. I did do a tip over on Instagram in a reel, so if you aren't following me over on Instagram, make sure to do so. I share a lot of like fashion hacks and tips over there as well. And I want to make sure that I take this one in order to be able to incorporate for that look. Now on this side, I do plan on packing the puffer coat and the night boots as well. And then I will have all of my undergarments in here. Also, I did want to share with you guys 2 things that I specifically picked up for this trip. I did get these tights, which actually have a little bit of a fleece lining inside. So what I do plan on doing is actually wearing these under the regular leggings that I will be wearing just for that extra added warmth. And then I was going between either getting cashmere or wool socks, and I was doing a little bit of research and a lot of people recommend the merino wool socks. So I went ahead and ordered these. Both of these things are from Amazon, so I'll make sure to link them down below for you. A pack of 3 socks I think was less than 20 bucks. So I'll definitely be keeping you guys posted how warm these keep my feet. I will be vlogging while in Canada, so make sure to look out for that video as well. Now, another tip that I always do myself and that I highly recommend is to make sure that you take advantage of all the space available, whether it's in the shoes, whether it's in any little space in the carry-on. So one of the things that I always do is if I'm packing any specific shoe, I make sure to pack my undergarments inside as well, since they are anyways gonna be packed in here. Might as well take advantage of this extra space. Now the socks, I'm just gonna layer them around the suitcase just to make sure that I take up that extra room that's available there. I forgot I needed to take a set of pajamas, so that's what I went ahead and grabbed to put in here. Alright, so we're all packed up here on this one for the majority of the pieces that I need for this winter vacation. I did leave out a couple of things because I want to make sure that I have easy access to some things, especially when I make it to Canada. This knit here and these tights is what I will be wearing as my airport look, but the beanie, the scarf, and then actually the black scarf are the things that I want to have accessible for when we land in Canada. We are leaving from Miami, which is currently 80 degrees, and then when we arrive in Canada, it's probably going to be under 10 degrees. So I want to make sure that I have the pieces that I need in order to bundle up. I also wanted to take a moment again to thank Ana Luisa for collaborating with me in this video. They have a ton of versatile pieces that I'm sure you guys will love, and you will be able to incorporate, as I mentioned, both casually and for a more elegant event. So make sure you go ahead and check them out down in the description box. Don't forget to use my coupon code in order to get an additional discount or to take advantage of one of their running sales. So let me know what was the biggest takeaway that you took from today. I have been traveling with my carry-on and a personal item for a little bit over 2 years. However, every time I'm packing for a new vacation, I feel like I learned something new in order to make the process a little bit easier. So I would love to hear any tips that you might have as well. Now, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new around here and like talking about handbags, a little bit of fashion inspiration, enjoy watching travel vlogs, then consider subscribing down below and joining the family. As always, thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.